Hi students, welcome to the channel. Our today's topic is cloud migration. This is the most important topic, right? So cloud migration is a process of moving digital business. It is the process of moving digital business operations into the cloud, right? As in general, we all know the meaning of migration, right? Migration means to move one thing from one place to another place, right? So this is same in case of cloud migration, right? It is the process of migrating digital business operations into cloud, right? Cloud migration is sort of like some physical move. This is somehow like physical move, right? Expect it involves moving data, applications and IT processes. We can move data, applications and IT processes from some data centers to another data center, right? Instead of picking up or packing up and moving physical goods, right? Much like a move from a smaller office to the larger one. Cloud migration requires quite a lot of preparation and advanced work, but usually it ends up being worth the effort, resulting in cost saving. This is very cost saving and it has a greater flexibility, right? So this is about cloud migration general definition, and most often cloud migration describes the move from one premises or legacy infrastructure to the another cloud. It is the move from on premises or legacy infrastructure to the cloud, right? So here a question arises that what is the meaning of legacy infrastructure? So legacy infrastructure, it is a hardware or software. It is a hardware or software. If there is some hardware or software outdated, right, but still in use, so we call those hardware and software as legacy infrastructure, right? And legacy products and processes are usually not as efficient or secure as up-to-date solutions. So businesses stuck running legacy systems are in danger of falling behind their competitors. So they also face an increased risk of data breaches, right? That's why we use cloud migration. So with the help of cloud migration, we can change these legacy infrastructure, or we can move the data or the systems of these legacy infrastructure to the cloud, right? Let's suppose this is my office and there are so many legacy infrastructure, right? And if I want to move all these to the cloud, to the public or private cloud, I can migrate this with the help of internet only, right? This is a cloud system. So many legacy softwares or hardwares may become unreliable and may run slowly or may no longer be supported by some original vendors like Windows XP. This is the best example of legacy infrastructure, right? This is a legacy operating system released in 2001. Its capabilities have been exceeded by later releases of Windows, and Microsoft no longer supports the operating system by releasing patches or updates for it, right? So this is taken under legacy infrastructure these days. Other than this operating system, legacy infrastructure also include some servers, some networking or some networking equipments, and it also include databases and other business critical software or hardwares, right? And legacy infrastructure such as aging servers or physical firewall appliances may slow down your company's business or processes, right? So these days this is very important to migrate all the data to the cloud. And also legacy infrastructures are typically hosted on premises, meaning it is physically located in the building or on property where the organization operates. For instance, many business host an on-premise data center in the same building where their employees work. And so with the help of cloud we can access anything from anywhere, right? So it becomes very easier if we are using cloud systems or virtualization. So this is all about the general meaning, the general introduction of using cloud migration. And in the next video, we will discuss some main benefits of migration of the cloud. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching this.